The first thing to do is to practice visualization. Now, we say we are practicing, or everybody does practice, visualization with the left brain hemisphere. Now, as you know, and we have said several times, that your brain vibrates like your heart beats. What's your brain per second and your heart per minute? So we say that the overall average brain frequency vibration of every human being when awake and active is 20 vibrations per second. Now, the idea would be to first start visualizing at that level, at 20 vibrations per second, where we have learned to function on the average, to practice visualization. But in order to practice visualization, you need to know what that is. And that is, look at something and make an impression with your sense of sight on your brain, and then close your eyes and go over that impression mentally. Now, when you go over the impression impressed on your brain cells, brain neurons, through the sense of sight, you're visualizing. You see with your sense of sight, and you visualize with your mind. So visualizing is going over the impression made with the sense of sight on your brain. When you go over in full detail and color that impression, you are visualizing. So you want to practice first at seeing any one thing, then closing your eyes and going over what you saw in full detail and color. Now you're practicing visualization at the overall brain frequency, average frequency of 20 vibrations.
In our modern, hyper-stimulated world, our brains predominantly operate in the beta state. Beta is the frequency of waking consciousness and strict logic, but it is also the chaotic realm of stress, anxiety, and the fractured mind. It is the frequency of the waking illusion, the construct keeping you tethered to survival and reaction. Every demand placed upon your waking hours forces your brain to fire rapidly, locking you inside a narrow corridor of perception. Our goal today is to shatter that illusion, to bridge the gap and make the unconscious conscious by intentionally accessing the alpha state. The alpha frequency, ranging from 8 to 12 Hz, is the true gateway to your subconscious architecture. It is a state of deep physical and mental relaxation where profound psychological reprogramming, shadow integration, and deep intuition occur. By stepping behind the veil of the waking beta state, you reclaim your sovereignty and become the architect of your reality. We begin this exercise with the 3-to-1 method. This is not a simple countdown. It is a profound neurological trigger. By visualizing the number 3 3 times, the number 2 3 times, and the number 1 3 times, you are stacking anchors within your psyche. You are training your nervous system to associate specific visual cues with rapid, controlled shifts in brainwave activity. Over the next 25 minutes, I will guide you through every layer of this magnificent protocol. I want you to find a comfortable sitting